It's a freezing day today in Nevada. What's up this Wednesday? I'm cold and I feel like on a cold day I want something warm and I don't want to cook it. So let me take you to one of my spots in Carson. Come on. Well, I would have to say, you guys, I feel pretty content. Lupo will treat you good, the food is warm, service is great, and it's a lovely atmosphere. Check it out, and when you do, tag me. Let me know what you got and what you thought. Thanks again for joining me, Mary Thomas Real Estate Group, for another What's Up This Wednesday.